most of us, we're going to be there in most of the campaigns of the organizations involved in this partnership. Okay, there you go. So I hope you're ready with your questions, your friends from the media, because we're going to be opening the floor in a very short while for this very candid, casual Q&A session. Maybe let us begin it with a quick question for Miss Max. So Miss Max, ano po na rin? Palakpakan naman natin, Miss Max. Happy birthday, Miss Max. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
So 25th pa actually.
Yeah, we're celebrating you nevertheless. Miss Max.
For Miss Universe Philippines.
Syempre for the love of Miss Universe.
For the love of
Miss Max, so our question is, what are you most excited about this partnership? For sure, you have a lot of ideas in mind as to how to roll out this partnership, the activities and whatnot. Ano ang pinaka-excited ka na someone who could divulge to us, to our media, friends from the media?
okay.
Oh.
Actually, everything's going to be really exciting because we're going to have a lot of provincial tours with MADS. And of course, with the faces of MADS, first is we're going to, I think, Iloilo, we're going to Cagayan de Oro. Yes, kasama ko kayo. So, we are going to have our provincial tours for the girls. And of course, promoting MADS in Miss Universe Philippines.
Exactly. Gusto yan ni Yana, hilig talaga yan to visit the different places of the country. Tama ba yan?
I agree. Kaya napabulog na agad ako kay Sir Mo. Tayo, Sir Mo.
Diba?
Very much excited.
Yes, okay, let us open the floor to your questions. Okay, any questions from our friends from the media? Let me hand over the microphone to you guys. Ayan, may mga katanungan ba kayo? Let us begin. Alright.
Hello, good afternoon.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Congratulations. And advance happy birthday, Max. So, yung tanong ko is, syempre nasa Miss Universe Philippines ka, and the endorsers are all, syempre, the queens, and happy. You want me to repeat? Yeah. Kasi diba, yung endorsers mo are the queens, the Miss Universe Philippines queens. Are you open for, let's say, mga celebrities in the future, aside from the queens when it comes to endorsing the brand?
Previous years, before pa, puro endorsers ko na celebrities, mga actresses. But this time, I want to try beauty queens naman. Even last year, it was Rabia Mateo, remembers?
Right.
She used to be the Miss Universe Philippines as well. So this time, I'm going to have another beauty queens, not only one, but 3 of them. So, nagsigurado na ako, these are the people. You know, kasi, sobrang tiny, they were asking me, alam mo ba na sila yung mananalo? I don't know. Of course, we don't know. Nobody knows. But, I felt that these are the people that they like to endorse my products. That's why, so that's why, sabi ko, para sure, itong tatlo na lang. So that's why, first and foremost, I would like to thank all of you kasi these 3 girls were well supported as well, and I'm so happy. I also base it also on the fan base as well. So it's not only my preference, but also the fan base.
Sure. May follow-up question pa ako. So, earlier you mentioned
No follow-up.
but this is for your brand, man.
Yes.
So, seriously. So, magka-travel kayo with the queens, diba? Sabi mo kanina. Magka-travel kayo with the queens.
Oh, yes, yes.
Tapos, so, summer na ngayon. So, ano ba
With the permission of our president,
Yes.
Ako na naman siguro. So, ano ba yung ina-expect? So, what can we expect? Di ba summer ngayon? Ano yung mga pasabaw ng brand ngayong summer?
It's actually the end of summer, almost the end of summer.
Yes, yes.
So, we'll be coming back with the usual fashion show sila Attorney Maggie yan, yung mga friends ko here, si Miss Machel Torres, Carol Mercado, attended already the Mags on the Tap, the fashion show of the real people. So it's all over the Philippines. So it's going to do it again.
Okay, thank you. Good luck. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Exciting times ahead. All right, let's have our next question. Sure.
Hello, Miss Max. My question is, how was the process of choosing these three ladies para to become the faces of Max? Tumayo ba sila sa akin?
No, as I mentioned to you, di ba, kanina, that they are my personal choices, and also, I base it also on the fan base. Di ba, nakikita ko ang daming fans, ang daming supporters nitong tatlong to, and I think they deserve to be given a chance to be the face of them. So, I like them personally to be my brand ambassadors.
It's delightful. Tapos coincidental lang, no? Na nagkasunod-sunod sila. First runner-up, second runner-up, and of course the title holder. Alright, we have our next question. Now,
Yes, for the three queens, the faces of Max, how does it feel that you are part of it and you are representing the brand? And last question, isagad-sagad na natin. How will you promote Max, the brand of Max, to your platform?
alright, who's gonna go first?
Mini-mini.
Mini-mini. Ayan.
I started off na lang kasi the microphone is just right in front of me.
Yes.
But I just want to start off by saying that I'm really grateful to Max and also to Ate Max for choosing me as one of the faces of Max this year. I'm really grateful. So parang ako naman on my end, I've always been one who really want to contribute something to the brand. Something that I can share, my strongest suit with the brand. So I'll make use of my social media platforms in terms of promoting the brand. Because we all know, diba, marami talaga mga tao na nakatutok sa social media ngayon. But then as a good ambassador to the brand, it's really nice if I can show up wearing the brand and also the clothes. Because these are the clothes that are really worth sharing to wider audience. Kasi maganda the quality, also the colors, and the Max also promotes kasi modern chic, diba? So this is one of the things I'm really looking forward to. And also I like to really style myself and to really dress up. So I'm really excited to see more of the clothes. No? And earlier today we had a shoot, tapos we were given the luxury and the privilege to see firsthand the new collection. So we're really excited. And I think that's about it. I'll make use of my social media platform. And as I heard from Atsimas, Kanina will be traveling. So it's really a nice promotion as well. So this is a Filipino brand. So support local, support the brands that are truly promoting the Filipino culture.
Love the message from Rihanna. Talaga, you have to integrate it in your lifestyle for you to be effective in promoting it on social media. Who's gonna be next?
I'm very happy, of course. Very thankful to Miss Max for picking me as one of the faces of the brand Max. It's such an honor to work with a strong woman who built a homegrown brand with so many branches all over the Philippines. And we share the same birthday. To be like a businesswoman like me.
They just found out right now. There is a
We found out
that
today that we share
birthday.
the same birthday. And we would joke that alam niya ako kasi medyo magkamukha na tayo.
At least sakto.
Oh,
Oh.
birthday after. And to promote Max, of course, right now we're wearing Max, and we're very lucky to work with Miss Max, who's very generous in sharing her talents and resources with us.
Amazing. We're also excited for that. Win-win, how about you?
Nasabi na nilang lahat. Hindi ko ulitin ko lang talaga nung malaman ko na ako yung isa sa Facebook.
Dagdagan mo ng dance step.
Oh, pwede. I'm very happy, again, like what Adisa said, to work with Miss Max, a very powerful woman who encourages for us to be confident. Siyempre, pag sinuot mo yung Max, kasama namin siya sa journey ng Miss natuwa din ako for the opportunity. And sinabi nga nila 25, birthday din ng mommy ko 25. So, feeling ko may connection lahat. Oo, yeah, connection.
Kinonect na lang.
I-push natin yan. Pero sa pag-promote naman, of course, we will wear bags, diba, kung may mga events. And I love how she'll help us sa mga susuotin namin because it's also not easy,
right,
diba, na i-prepare lahat ng kailangan namin suotin, lalo na marami kami mga events and everything else. So she's there to help us. And one way that we can give back is to promote it on our social media platforms.
Right, right. Everything's so nice. We have peace of mind that you can also to Miss Max and her collection, and you're going to be looking fabulous nevertheless. Pinas, how long did I have kidding? All right, maybe down to no more questions. Maybe the last one. Last one. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know.
Why should you be?
Why should you be? Good face.
Miss Mom? Message niya lang.
A message. That would be nice. Message.
Miss Ariella.
Miss Ariella, read your message for this partnership for Miss Max and of course this partnership that we just forged together.
Okay, first of all, congratulations, Miss Max, and the whole team of MEPH for a very successful coronation, and thank you for always supporting the organization and for picking the right girls for your brand. And of course, to our friends from media, maraming salamat sa inyong support and understanding sa lahat ng mga nagaganap. Maraming salamat. And of course, to Mama J, congrats as well. Busy siya. So, congrats to everyone. Wouldn't be this successful without the effort of each and everyone on and off. And advance happy birthday, Miss Max. And advance happy birthday, Mama J. Yeah! And to Atisa, oh my God, May celebrants, all the May celebrants, advance happy birthday.
So many things to celebrate. Do you have a message coming from Jonas also? Quickly?
I-connect na natin.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaya gustong-gusto ko si Max kasi birthday ko the next day ng birthday. Okay, thank you.
Voltaire, right? So that everybody from the panel will be able to share some thoughts as well.
No, I just wanted to remind everybody that the opening dresses, those fabulous opening dresses,
so nice,
were by Max. Can they get them and can they still buy them? And by them, I mean me.
Exclusive.
Yeah.
Baka madami yung replica sa Divisory. Yung mga gumagaya na.
Ay, of course, kapag maganda, ginagaya talaga.
Yes. Thank you for those. They're fabulous.
Yeah. I want a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for this panel for a lot of things that we're celebrating. So let's bring in the beautiful flowers to our beautiful faces of Max, first and foremost, because a couple more things. So let's maybe I could bring the flowers right here. Miss Max, here you go. Please do the honor. There you go. A couple more.
And gusto ko ba na opening dress?
Pasa-pasa na lang. To the landman connected, related with May 25, May 26, and everything else. Oh yeah, we also have flowers. We also have officers down lechon. One lechon. We're just kidding, ladies and gentlemen. But of course, this is a chance for us to have some more photos. Could we have our faces to be right in front of our table for a full body kind of photo? We're going to be taking of you, beautiful ladies, our faces on Max. And as you can see also, these are coming from the collection of Miss Max. I think some of the newest dresses from the collection. They're all sporting right now. Modern chic, and you can see that for sure. You can wear it also in different parties, different events that you're going to be attending, and that is courtesy of Max. And of course, a lot more dresses for sure that will be loved by the Filipinos and even the international audience coming to Max in the coming days, especially with all the campaigns that we have. We're going to be capture the sunset with our beautiful ladies.
Wala ko na lang sa ano. Doon na lang sa...
Oh, here. Right backdrop. Yet again.
Sa loob.
Dito. Okay, so pinabalik nila kayo sa ano. Okay, we're gonna be removing the chairs na to make way. Oh, there you go. Thank you so much. To our hard-working queens. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's make sure the max, the brand, the logo can be seen. Our max señoritas. Giving us the best smiles. Let's present Max for herself. Max Garita. Smile. Alright, now at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we already know that it is her birthday on the 25th. It is their birthdays on the 25th. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we find a band to help us out in singing the birthday song? Let's bring out the cakes for our birthday gals. Let's all join in singing the birthday song for Miss Banks and, of course, Atisa. The ladies first on the 25th.